Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mwale, and in this quick video I'm going to be showing you 4 different ways to check if Google Analytics is properly installed on your website or blog, along with some really useful tips to ensure that your tracking data is as accurate as possible. If you're new here, do consider subscribing. On this channel, I make videos about creating, managing, and promoting websites just like this one, but I also make videos about digital marketing in general. With that said, let's dive right into the video. The real-time report is by far the easiest way to check if Google Analytics is correctly installed. You can access this report by simply visiting the Google Analytics home screen. To get there, simply type analytics.google.com in your browser. Once there, you see a blue section to the right of your screen that shows the number of active users. Now, any number other than 0 is a good thing and means you are in business. If the number showing is 0, all you have to do is open your website in a new browser tab or window, wait a few seconds, come back to the report and see if the number has changed. The second approach that I have for you involves sending test traffic to your website. This can be done from the admin page of Google Analytics. You can open this page by clicking the cogwheel or admin button in the bottom left of your screen. Once there, you will see a couple of columns, but you want to pay attention to the property column. This will have a tracking info option. Clicking this reveals the tracking code option, and finally clicking that lets us see the tracking page where we have the ID, status, and most importantly, the send test traffic button. Clicking this button asks Google to send a bot over to our site and lets us see if that changes the number of active users. If we notice a change, then we know we are good. We know analytics is working as expected. I have 2 more methods that can help you check if analytics is working well. Both of them involve Tag Manager. Before looking at those, I have a request. If you're finding this video helpful, go ahead and give this video a like, give it a big thumbs up, because that helps the channel a great deal. Let's keep it rolling now with method number 3. For method number 3, we're going to want to open tagmanager.google.com. Once there, we want to choose a container to work with. After that, we will click the preview button in the top right, and this opens a new tab where we are given an option to connect Tag Assistant to our site. We're going to go ahead and say yes, connect. This then opens a new tab with our site in it. Returning to the Tag Assistant tab, we'll see a summary of which tags fired as our site was opening up. If we see that Google Analytics is on this list of fired tags, we are set. We know analytics is working good. So that's method number 3. We're now ready to look at method number 4, which is only available on Chrome-based browsers. Let's see how it goes. Here we are in Chrome browser, and what we want to do now is add the free Tag Assistant extension by visiting the Chrome Web Store. I'll have this link for you in the description. So once we get there, all we want to do is search for Tag Assistant, and we'll see right at the top the most popular, the one with the most installs. And we can say add to Chrome. Give it a second. Okay, great. So we can also pin it to the toolbar for easy access. And yeah, that's it. Now we're ready to use it to check if analytics is working properly. And to do that, we're just going to click the tag assistant button and say done, then say enable. So now when we say enable, what it means is that we're going to be able to track activity for this entire tab. So whenever we open a site in this current tab, the number of tags fired will show here. So let's give it a try. I'm going to open up our company website here. Okay, great. So if you pay attention, you see that this number has changed. And if we click on it, we see that Google Analytics tag is fired. So that's method 4. To ensure that your tracking data is as accurate as possible, you're probably going to want to avoid tracking logged in or admin users. For example, if you own a site and visit there, let's say 100 times a day, you likely don't want that included in your analytics reports because it may paint an unrealistic picture of how popular your site actually is. So the way to test if analytics is tracking logged in user activity or not is actually simple. It's the same as the first method I shared with you. You simply open the Google Analytics home screen, go to your website, visit there as a logged in user, and see if the number of active users changes. And there you have it, guys. That's how to ensure analytics is working correctly. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate the support. Give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Also hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications when a new video is out. I hope to see you soon. Until then, focus on your craft.